Hello all, I'm Dr. Sahana GV, Medical Director of Parvati Nethralaya, and today is a special day for us as we complete 3 years starting Parvati Nethralaya in this place. So I thought I'll take you through a quick tour of our facility. So when you walk in, yes, of course, this is our reception and decoration is for the 3 years. Yes, and we're so happy. And we have our opticals over here. We have all the best frames and the best lenses at your convenience. We would not want you to go hunting for frames and lenses, so we have all the solutions placed right here. And as I walk you through this place, I have my consultation room right here. So let's go in there. Wow. Okay. First time doing this, so yes, this is basically the patient examination chair, and that's where I sit. Yeah, get a good view of that. Yes, and this is my equipment, the slit lamp and my autorefractometer on which I do most of my work. I'll just go to the fundus camera. I'm a person who specializes in retina, glaucoma and cataract. So my little fundus camera which lets me get the images of the retina. Yes, there it is. So let me get back to where I actually sit. Right. So this has been my comfort place for the last 3 years. When I started out, when I started Parvati Nethralaya, it was with the intent that we bring the best of eye services to people in need. The motto has always been to eliminate preventable blindness. Parvati Nethralaya was named after my grandma. Her name was Parvati. She was the one who inspired me to become a doctor. So this was definitely dedicated to her. Over these 3 years, we've been able to impact more than 5,000 patients. It's been a privilege serving them. And through my association with Bangalore Lions Club South, we've screened more than 2,000 school students and dispensed spectacles to those in need free of cost. It's been an absolute privilege, and through this video I would like to thank each and everyone who's been a part of this journey. It wouldn't have started without the support of my family, my parents, my in-laws, my ever understanding husband and kids. But of course, if I think this is a journey from say A to B, my team has been the vehicle. Without my team, it wouldn't be possible. And my patients have been the biggest strength. All the reviews, the interactions that we have made me grow as a person and as a doctor. I think the best part about my profession is that, there's human interaction every time. And I believe that once a person walks into my clinic, they walk in with a trust, and me and my team go in all out to make sure that that trust is taken care of. It's never broken. So thank you all for this great privilege. It's been a huge opportunity, and we look forward to being of service forever. And I understand it's been a difficult situation amidst the COVID pandemic. We've all gone through that. But despite the challenges, we've made sure that we take all the safety precautions when we're seeing patients. Definitely social distancing is maintained. We have all the appointments scheduled as far as possible so that not many people are in the clinic at the same time. And we're also, wearing adequate PPE, the reception person, myself, when we're seeing the patients. And in between two patients, all the equipments are disinfected. And the trial lens, if glasses are given, the trial lenses are disinfected. And we are also fumigating the place frequently. As challenging as it is, I'm also grateful that due to this pandemic, teleconsultation has given me a huge opportunity to reach out to my patients across Bangalore. I'm not restricted to any area off. I have patients from other cities reaching out to me, and the best part was this last week I had a person doing a video consulting from Mumbai. So this has been a wonderful way to discover how far we can reach, and we definitely look forward to your support much more during this pandemic. You can always reach out to me through a video consultation, and anytime you definitely need to come here, please be rest assured that your safety is our priority.